We're here to introduce our leak detection repair series for our trainees or anybody who's going to do our training program. While we often send out weekly emails about our repairs, they're not very in-depth. They just show you what you can actually learn when you do our training series. The repair series takes you everywhere from bond beam breaks, skimmer installations, structural crack repairs. It's not just about repairs as well, negative edge systems. It's all about everything. It's more specific. We're constantly adding content up. Check it out on our training platform, and for more information, visit LeakTronics.com.